Our new price target for Nvidia will undoubtedly surprise you. Back then, Nvidia was just a company that made PC gaming chips. It seems like the brain or the central nervous system of an autonomous vehicle is going to be a GPU. Tasha adds as she joins our brainstorming session. You are kidding, I said. Nobody knows that, I said. It became one of the top companies in many of our portfolios, including our genomics portfolio. After that, an additional research on the significance of GPUs for artificial intelligence. ARC, in contrast to many other organizations, is a liquidity provider. A large number of asset managers are motivated by momentum. Actually, it's a component of their scoring system. Buy, buy, buy. Buy if the price is rising and the revenue growth is quickening. Now, many portfolio managers make use of such capability. We are the opposite. We will earn if one of our stocks rises by 20, 30, 50, 100, or 200% in a little period of time. Although it is evident that momentum buyers desire it and are prepared to pay a significant premium, other equities in our portfolio are most likely experiencing some short-term difficulties. And as you can see, our portfolios are quite volatile. So we believe both of those were short-term swings. As a result, we are quite opportunistic in that we both provide liquidity when purchasers desire it and purchase it when others do. So was that a factor in your decision to sell Nvidia at that time? Oh, she sold it, is all the market wants to hear, yet you were ahead of the curve at Nvidia. However, I suppose you look back on it. Yes, we purchased Nvidia at about $5 when we first launched ARC funds in 2014. I recall that Tasha Keeney entered our brainstorming session in 2015 and stated, "Now this is when PCs were falling. They were dropping at a double-digit rate." At that time, Nvidia was just a firm that made PC gaming chips. It seems like the brain or the central nervous system of an autonomous vehicle is going to be a GPU. Tasha adds as she joins our brainstorming session. You are kidding, I said. Nobody knows that, I said. It became one of the top companies in many of our portfolios, including our genomics portfolio. After that, an additional research on the significance of GPUs for artificial intelligence. As a result, Nvidia is the fourth largest returning stock in our flagship portfolio since 2014. Tesla is at the top, followed by GBTC, NVIDA, a genomic stock, and Nvidia. We were present then. Even while we still possess it in our specialist portfolio, Nvidia's revenue, which is mostly in the hardware sector, is 25 times higher. Although we do possess it in other portfolios, I am aware that the fervor surrounding AI will eventually lead to an excess of inventory. In 1 year, 1 quarter, or 2 years, I have no idea if that will actually happen. However, I am also aware that UiPath is charging 2.5 times revenue, or 6 or 7 times revenue, based on this year's income. Our most current document, which is about AI and can be seen on our ARC ARF Fund website, displays a 12-month trail. At 6 to 7 times, I'm more interested in the current year's multiple of revenues than in Tesla. These are AI initiatives. And as I previously stated, they are more software-related than hardware-related. Additionally, the software pull-through from AI hardware will be between 8 and 20 times. Therefore, the market will be considerably larger. Because we are paying attention to valuation, we have been and continue to be in the more specialized portfolio at a smaller percentage than we were in Nvidia. Now, we are moving on to the next major artificial intelligence beneficiaries. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're delving deeply in Nvidia's future today, drawing from Jensen Huang's Computex 2024 speech. This video is titled Why Nvidia Stock is a Long-Term Bet and Why You Should Consider Buying. This in-depth analysis will examine why I think Nvidia is positioned for significant expansion and why Wall Street may be overlooking the wider picture. We'll dissect Nvidia's strategic software projects, hardware roadmap, and the wider commercial ramifications of their technologies. There is a lot to cover, so fasten your seatbelt. Let's start by discussing Nvidia's hardware roadmap. This roadmap is a strategic vision that spans all the way through 2027, not merely a list of new product launch dates. In 2024, it starts with the introduction of the Blackwell GPU, which bears the name of the famous mathematician David Blackwell. Significant improvements in speed and power efficiency are anticipated from this GPU series, but that's only the beginning. NVIDIA will release the Blackwell Ultra in 2025 as a follow-up. With improved architectures and even more computing power, this version is anticipated to expand on the advancements of its predecessor. Supporting the ever-increasing requirements of AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing requires these advancements. There is more to the roadmap than that. NVIDIA plans to release the Rubin GPU in 2026, which is named for another important mathematician. The Rubin series will keep pushing the limits of GPU technology, as will its Ultra variant, which is scheduled for release in 2027. Every stage in this roadmap represents a leap in capabilities that will enable different industries to accomplish more, not simply a small improvement. With their Spectrum X solution, NVIDIA is proactively entering the data center market in addition to individual GPUs. This is a novel approach to the operation of data centers, not only an improvement on current technologies. An Ethernet-based system called Spectrum X is made to smoothly link a large number of GPUs. NVIDIA plans to have data centers that can link millions of GPUs by 2026. This feature is essential for handling the enormous data loads needed for big data analytics and sophisticated AI applications. Because Ethernet-based data centers offer higher scalability, reduced latency, and quicker data transfer rates, they have the potential to completely transform cloud computing. Because of this, Spectrum X plays a crucial role in NVIDIA's plan to control the data center industry. NVIDIA's products will become essential as more businesses transition to cloud-based infrastructures and AI-driven procedures. Although NVIDIA's hardware advances are spectacular, its software ecosystem is the company's true secret weapon. Many observers overlook the full scope of NVIDIA's products since they are only concerned with the hardware. In addition to enhancing its hardware, NVIDIA has created a suite of potent software that maximizes its capabilities. This software approach relies heavily on NVIDIA Inference Microservices, or NIMs. These AI models come pre-configured with all the necessary components to function well on a range of hardware setups. By abstracting away the difficulties of modifying software to fit various hardware settings, NIMs make it easier to deploy AI systems. As a result, companies can more easily incorporate AI into their operations without requiring a high level of technical skill. NIMs are made to offer high-performance, scalable AI inference for a variety of uses, including predictive analytics, natural language processing, and real-time image identification. The task can be completed quickly and efficiently using NIMs. This feature is especially beneficial for sectors that depend on quick decisions based on data in real time. Of course, with the grammatical adjustments, here is the continuation. The task can be completed quickly and efficiently using NIMs. This feature is especially useful for sectors like healthcare, banking, and autonomous cars that depend on quick decisions based on real-time data. NIMs provide a solution that not only satisfies the demands of quicker, more dependable processing and the growing complexity of AI applications, but also raises the overall effectiveness of AI deployment. Apart from NIMs, NVIDIA is broadening its software portfolio by including potent AI development platforms including NVDA, TensorT, and Deep Learning Accelerator, DLA. These platforms give developers the resources they need to create, refine, and implement AI models with previously unheard-of speed and precision. Because of their strong dedication to AI research and development, NVIDIA is the preferred option for businesses looking to fully utilize AI in their operations. NVIDIA's software ecosystem will only grow more crucial for companies wishing to incorporate cutting-edge technologies as AI develops. Furthermore, NVIDIA's software ecosystem is essential to hastening the deployment of AI in a variety of industries. NVIDIA is establishing itself as a major force in the global AI revolution, whether it is through alliances with top academic institutions or agreements with significant cloud service providers like Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services, AWS. These partnerships guarantee that NVIDIA stays at the forefront of AI research and development, providing companies with the resources they require to maintain their competitive edge in a field that is becoming more and more crowded. Nvidia's approach seems to be well positioned for sustained success in the future. With the increasing demand for AI technologies, Nvidia is well positioned to benefit from this trend. Nvidia is a unique participant in the industry because of their hardware innovations and extensive software solutions, which enable them to handle a wide range of AI requirements, from cloud-based AI solutions to high-performance computing and beyond. Therefore, if you're thinking about investing in Nvidia, it's critical to understand that the company's worth lies not only in its GPUs, but also in its